Alright, so let me just quickly show it off. So I'm EyesOfRinn, the developer, the recreator of the plugin. So basically, to use it, you just place down a lava bucket by default. You can adjust which kind of bucket makes the genning work. You can make it a water bucket and a lava bucket. You can't have, but basically, everything or majority of the things that plugin does is configurable. For example, the speed at which it gens. So as you saw, it gens quite fast there. Let me quickly just change the speed in the config right now. Booters, you want to show them the config, what it looks like real quick? Anyways, as you can see, it gens a lot slower now. I mean, it's really adjustable. You can do it however you like. I mean, for water buckets, you would obviously make it faster, like to have that like watery feel of it going a lot faster. But anyways, yeah, that's it for the you could also change whether or not sponges should take effect on the cobblestone genning. You could make it so that cobblestone like doesn't take, or sponges don't take GenBucket, but you could also make it so that sponges, you could increase and decrease the radius of the sponges. For example, I could set the sponges like to, let's say 3. Quickly just demonstrate this. As for the actual plugin itself, oops, I placed it in the wrong position. Oh well, it's gonna gen now, but didn't mean to place it here. But we need to wait for this to gen all the way down. I should have probably increased the speed just to show it off, but misplacing is a pain. As you can see, it took effect on a 3-block radius for the sponge. So yeah, that's a cool. What you could also do is, well, let's see. Let's look in the config. You can change the way players place the GenBucket. For example, you can make it so that they need to shift to place it, or place it regularly, or always place it. Now you see I'm shifting and I place it. Now GenBucket takes effect. I mean, it's really adjustable. It's whatever you want to do. Yeah, whatever. It's your choice. You could also make it so that it charges you when you're placing this. So booters, since you're recording, do you want to go into survival and quickly show them? Yeah, I changed it in the config. Oh god, yeah, so it won't let you place anymore after. Yeah, so yeah, that's configurable. You can turn the pricing off completely, or you can make increase and decrease the amount that gets taken. There's different messages in the config. I mean, you could just take a look at the messages that are sent. All right, this is basically the plugin. There's not really that much to show off other than that, to be honest. I mean, let me just see. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I could show off the water taking effect. Here, I'll just show off water and which it gens. So they have a really fast speed, and they have it so that it's water. Yeah, 3 blocks radius. That's what we set it to for the sponge, and yeah, it gens quite fast. I don't know. You can adjust the speed. It's really a good decision. Replace. All right, so I'm pretty sure that should be the whole video. I mean, is there really anything else to show off? Yeah, there really isn't. Anyways, this plugin will be listed on MC Market and hopefully in the future Spigot. I need to do some public work on Spigot before I could have this listed as a paid plugin. But if you want to purchase this plugin, you need to go on MC Market and look for this resource.